So if you're in Africa or any other country and you're searching for remote jobs and you're searching for remote jobs on LinkedIn and Indeed and you're not getting any feedback, you're not getting any response, this problem is not your AU problem. It is the problem of people thinking you should focus on a small pond when there's a whole ocean for you to actually search on. So in this video, I'm going to be listing out remote jobs that nobody knows about that you can actually start, that is actually very versatile, that is actually very user friendly, is beginner friendly. You can actually start with without actually you needing a CV, no experience, nothing. It is just an online. Your location is not a problem. So if you're actually interested in this remote jobs, make sure you watch the end, because number 5 remote job is going to actually change your perspective on job search. So hey, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Coach Annie, Finance Annie. We talk about building wealth, how you can level up financially, whether you're in Lagos, Accra, Nairobi, Tanzania, any country, only level up and find jobs in. So today I'm going to be speaking on more jobs you can do as somebody staying in Africa. So let's get into the video. Number 1 on my list is WeWorkRemotely.com. These people are the largest remote jobs in the world. If I talk about the website, thousands of companies looking for people that can work for them remotely. I'm talking about people that are looking into programming, writing, script writing, cyber security, everything you can look for. This inside we work remotely, because there are lots of thousands of companies looking for it. So basically they hire remotely in sense that they don't actually care what country you're from, as long as you can deliver. So this is the one that I know, that I'm sure, that's why I'm putting it as number 1, that I'm sure that can actually help you, is we work remotely. So you can go on ahead and search for it. It's actually very user friendly, it's beginner friendly. So number 2 on my list is RemoteOK. RemoteOK. So think of this one like a job board. Like a job board basically where it updates real time. Like companies are actively looking for people to work for them remotely. They're actively with you posting an algorithm, pushing your video out or anything. Just companies posting that they need this job and you yourself actually applying for this job. So you want to buy something on Timo, you want to buy something on Shein, you just go there and you pick the products that you want. That's how it works. It works because like a lot of companies are already like positions there, so you can just look for the one that actually suits your category there, because there's like a list of filtered keywords. You can filter the ones that you actually, maybe you can filter the type of categories that you're actually in, the keywords and everything, and mostly specializes in developers, but people under programming, writing, managing can also do it. Like, try their luck with these sites. It's actually a game changer. I'm actually serious. Like, go on and bookmark this and actually check it out. So number 3 on my list is Toptal, and I'm talking about top and tal. This one is very hard to get in. Focus on serious screening, on serious live training, on serious tech training, so it's very hard to get into. But why am I telling you this? I'm telling you this because once you get in, you get access to one of the highest funding companies, one of the highest remote companies in the world, like one of the highest remote companies. I'm not even capping, one of the highest remote companies in the world, companies that are going to pay you millions for your work. They're going to be, I'm talking about companies like Fortune 500 companies, fund startup companies. I'm talking about this type of companies. But something about Toptal is that they deal in serious screening, and you don't even have to worry about, oh, your location is bad, you're based in Africa, or you're based in Nigeria, you're based in one particular location, because once Toptal screens you and you actually pass the vetting process, they're going to trust you because Toptal has already vouched for you, so your location is actually not needed. So most of the times these people actually focus on things like programming, software, designing, writing and all. If you know you're actually good at a particular skill, I suggest you actually check Toptal, because the money is much there. And something about Toptal is that even when you fail, even when they reject your offer, they'll still tell you what your problem is, like where you went wrong in, and they will actually help you in it. So number 4 on my list, and the last on my list, is Contra, or Contra.com. So Contra basically information free remote job. So basically is that what this means is that unlike Upwork or Fiverr, they actually take a cut out of your earnings or your profits. Contract is like commission free. You don't take anything out of you get your 100% profit. And so how contract works is that you actually build a portfolio and you showcase your work out and you pitch it to your clients, and clients come to you, or you actually apply for projects. So it is actually very user friendly, it is very client based, it is very good for people that are into developing, that are into marketing, that are into website, that are into designing. It's very easy to find clients from contract.com. So this officially ends my video on remote jobs. Issue came up, but watch out for the next video where I actually list out several remote jobs that can actually help you remotely. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check my page for other videos like this.